So it's been a year in the works to go from tree to table, but now we're finally ready to show you. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay, here we go.
Flashback.
So a year ago, I decided that I was at a point where if I wanted to grow my business, I would need to expand. So I hired a guy to come help me out. His name is Trent. Say hi, Trent.
Hi, Trent.
Now, Trent was a longtime customer of mine, and as we developed a relationship, I knew that his passion for woodworking, coupled with his outgoing personality, made him a great fit for my business. Trent's heading up our newest branch located in Seneca. This location allows us to be in closer proximity to some of our Westerly State patrons. Fortunately for me, shortly after hiring him, though, he actually managed to prove his worth.
Now, since I'm located so close to downtown Clemson.
And tonight, hey, it was BYOG, bring your own guts.
Yes, that Clemson. It was pretty hard not to notice this brand new gorgeous hotel construction project. And without asking permission, I decided that we were somehow going to build something for that hotel. So I sat down and spent hours doing interwebs research to get their top secret contact info, then crafted the bestest, most perfectly worded email and sent it off into the interwebs.
Now, they did come back to us and ask us to quote a couple of different pieces, but we wanted to be sure that we had something in there. So we did something that some of you might consider crazy. We gave away a 10-foot maple dining table for free.
Now, it might seem crazy to give away that table considering we had over $2,000 invested in material alone.
Yeah, remind me again why I let you give away all my money?
Well, one, because it's not my money, but
It's all about location, location, location.
more importantly, there were definitely some amazing people and ideas behind this hotel. But from a business standpoint, we recognize that this perfectly situated location, coupled with the 1 million plus football patrons in downtown Clemson each year, this was a marketing and advertising goldmine.
We had the opportunity to speak with a lot of the great people associated with the hotel, and the thing that they were most proud of was a partnership between the Shepherd Hotel and the Clemson Life Program. Now, if you're not familiar with the Clemson Life Program, it's a comprehensive post-secondary transition program for students with intellectual disabilities. It offers inclusive social activities, participation in college courses, along with instruction and independent living skills, employment skills, and social skills, with the goal of independent living and gainful employment. You can learn more about the program in the links below. This project, though, was definitely a new experience for us, as this was easily the largest client we have ever had.
Now, given that we typically land custom builds, our process normally involves one of us meeting with the client, listening to their needs and offering suggestions, and ultimately bringing their vision to life. This was not that. The interior design company that we work with had everything already laid out and designed for us to begin work.
The table was specified to be a 10-foot long maple dining table with turned Romanesque-style trestle legs, 2 charging stations nestled on either side of the tabletop. Now, we were able to provide some design input on the project, as we did convince them to use traditional breadboard ends, which originally was not planned. And I'm really glad we did this, as I think it really enhances the traditional look of this tabletop. The build process for this table actually started well over a year ago with us milling a tree for this project. Then we used just about every tool in the shop, from gluing up the tabletop to the breadboard ends to milling wiring pockets with a CNC machine, hand planing the tabletop for a specific rustic look, and spraying our stain and finish.
Now, what I'm most excited about is where the 10-foot table will be located within the hotel. This community or family table, as we've heard it called, will be the prime dining location in the Delish Sisters restaurant on the first floor of the Shepherd, visible through 10-foot glass windows right on Tiger Boulevard. The Delish Sisters are originally from South Africa, and this will be their first restaurant here in the States.
Yeah, dude, did you see their menu?
Yeah, don't get me started. I'm trying to eat better and work out, and they have like every pastry you can imagine.
Get in my belly!
Okay, so I think we covered everything, right? You, the hotel, the Delish Sisters. I can't really think of anything else.
Should we actually deliver the table, you think?
Oh yeah, that's probably a good idea.
Yeah, let's do that.
End of flashback.
This is awesome.
It doesn't get much more center.
Yeah. This is like...
Yeah, and then obviously once all the FF&E is installed,
Dude.
there will be the beautiful sconce and light
Oh, there's a
display.
chandelier, like a chandelier that's going to be above it.
That is freaking awesome.
Yep, it's the spot.
That is the spot. You are not kidding. Sweet. Okay. Pre-assembled everything yesterday, so we literally just have to carry it in here. So it should be really easy. Okay, you're good. Second block. Let me find the ramp.
I'm off the ramp.
Think I'm on the ramp. Yep. Okay, turn. Turn. Very good. If someone wants to open the door, that'd be cool.
Thanks, Nolan.
The other door would be great also. It's not heavy at all. It's all good.
It's lightweight.
It's lightweight. Yeah, it's styrofoam, and we veneered it. So don't tell anybody. Okay, gently. The back breaker. Oh.
Yeah, no, it's good. It's fine.
Okay. Okay. Go grab this. So we're here at the Shepherd Hotel. We're letting you all know where we're finally delivering this, and we're with the Delish Sisters, who have an amazing new restaurant in this hotel, right in the heart of downtown Clemson. And we're going to reveal for the first time the table to everyone, including them. Now, a little bit about this table, in case you don't know. Our business motto is Save the Trees, and when we started this business, we actually started off as a sawmill. So we salvage local trees, we mill the lumber up and sell it to the public, but we also build furniture. So this table is made from lumber that came from a tree that was taken down last year somewhere in Inman. And so we took it through the entire process to build it into a beautiful table for you guys. So it's been a year in the works to go from tree to table, but now we're finally ready to show you. Ready? Yeah. Okay, here we go. Ta-da! Thank you so much for letting us build this for you guys.
Yes, thank y'all.
We're honored to be a part of this, and yeah, can't wait to eat some food. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
All right, thanks for watching, guys. If you want to see more content from us, make sure you go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button.
Yeah, and we'll be sure and link all the socials for Shepherd Hotel, Clemson Life, the Delish Sisters in the description below. So make sure you go check them out.
All right, let's get back to work.
You get back to work.